I showed up late with Starbucks. How about that? Okay, so this is my dad's computer. He's letting me borrow it. My neighbor is letting me borrow her Wi-Fi. But that means, of course, I am on borrowed time. So let's make this quick, shall we? I already know they did Joker gameplay. There's a stage builder. All kinds of different updates. So this is going to be like really cool. And I already know one of his moves is just gun. Okay, let's see here. This has a similar problem loading XSplit on this computer. About where I still have to do the whole web page. Yes, we've seen this trailer before. Oh, no, it's not the same trailer.
Joker, it's the moment you've been waiting for.
Yeehaw!
So many legendary fighters. Awesome!
They did a good job of picking the characters to fight
Sure
against.
he can handle this?
Yes.
I mean, he's got a knife and a gun. I'm sure he'll be fine.
What happened?
I don't know.
Oh, nice alternate.
Harness the power of the heart to summon a persona. Unleash the rebellious spirit growing inside you.
Ooh.
Persona!
Yay!
Oh, Arsene.
Arsene? Can't you use a more powerful persona?
What are you talking
After Arsene Lupin?
about? It's Joker's main persona. As long as you hold on to your rebellious spirit, Arsene will give your attacks an extra punch.
Nice.
Wow, he can use wings instead of his grappling hook.
That's cool.
If Joker is attacked while Arsene is around, he can counterattack with Tetrakarn and Makarakarn.
Alright. Oh yeah,
Also reflect.
people were saying that this is his stand. Oh goodness. Living in a cardboard box.
Mementos? The palace birthed from the hearts of the masses, right?
Nice.
And Mementos has a little secret.
Isn't its
All out attack?
existence a secret?
Are we gonna get all out attack?
The base color changes depending on the
Persona
music.
3? Oh, okay.
Seriously?
So, Persona 1 and 2 don't get any credit at all. As usual. I only played 3. I have 4, but I haven't played it.
Witness the power of the Phantom Thieves!
All out attack!
Beat 'em up!
Woohoo! Phew, they're spraying stars.
Is looking cool. Eh, Joker?
Nice color scheme going on with everyone there. It's a good trailer. Nice. So Cloud already stole Wario's motorcycle. And Morgana's on there too. That's cool.
The version 3.0 update for the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate game is almost here. What are we adding, you ask? You're about to find out. But first,
Awesome!
as part of the Fighter's Pass, Challenger Pack 1 introduces Joker from Persona 5.
Why is it that 1 and 2 don't get a lot of attention?
Opponents will fall victim to Joker's masterful manipulation. For his neutral special, he wields a gun. To shoot
Gun.
continuously, press and hold the button or repeatedly tap it. While shooting, you can also dodge forward, backward, or in midair. His up special fires a grappling hook.
Alright.
Be aimed at a diagonal angle,
That's really
or you can use it to
fast.
pull opponents closer. And latch onto edges.
That's a nice
His
range.
side special invokes
Very
Ahai with
fast.
a mere finger snap.
Eha. I don't remember it being called
The
that.
initial hit isn't very strong, but it does inflict additional damage over time.
Nice. I can't think of anything
And know
else
this,
that does that.
these are not even their final forms. The full power of these
Really?
special moves must be
A Dragon Ball Z joke?
The trick,
Come on.
his down special, Rebel's Guard. Joker's Rebellion gauge fills up slowly over time.
Rebellion
Or when
gauge.
he's behind in terms of damage or stock. And by using Rebel's Guard, he can fill the gauge faster, while reducing any damage received by half.
Interesting.
If you press and hold the button after the move is activated, you can even defend from combo attacks. When
Cool.
you release the button, the opponent will get knocked back.
It'd be nice if they were showing us the gauge for that.
Rebellion gauge is full,
No, there we go.
he'll unmask and summon a manifestation of his persona, Arsene. Until the gauge runs out, Arsene will assist Joker in a powerful way.
Return!
Nice, nice.
With
That
his
sounds
persona at
fun.
his side, Joker can deal additional damage with each attack. And
So,
beyond that,
Joker and
his
Arsene
special moves will change.
versus Bayonetta and Madama Butterfly.
special
It's gonna be
upgrades
pretty
his gun
interesting. Gun
It
special.
handles the same as before.
They both
only
have
now
guns.
You'll fire 3 bullets per shot. His up special transforms into Wings of Rebellion.
Phew.
Ascends wings. You'll swiftly rise up.
Then he
This
just
won't deal
gently
damage. It will make
floats.
you invincible for a time. So, have a safe flight. For
Interesting.
his side special,
He's gonna be the new
Invoke
tech
Aegon.
character, isn't he?
This
I think
large
we're gonna
blast
see him
repeatedly
at,
hits opponents, inflicting
Evo.
them with longer-lasting additional damage.
Of course, then we all thought that about Little Mac, and then it turned out
Down
his
special
ups
performs
were
one of 2
abysmal
counterattacks,
enough
each triggering
for,
automatically. For
you know,
melee
for
attacks,
people not to
you'll
play.
counter with Tetrakarn. And projectiles can be deflected with Makarakarn.
Makaraka.
Oh, by the way, Arsene
Hi,
is
Isabel.
completely invincible. And then there's Joker's final
I thought he was
smash,
gonna kick the
all-out
dog.
attack. After cutting through foes,
Kapow!
he'll launch a coordinated strike with the Phantom Thieves of Hearts.
Nice. Time for some brutality! And they bleed stars and
In
sparklies.
case the first slice didn't cut it, you can try again once more by tilting the control stick back in the other direction. Arsene doesn't change Joker's final smash,
Time for an all-out attack!
so feel free to use it whenever you want.
Show's over. No, it wasn't!
Joker's victory
I love how the
screen
camera is a
replicates the one in
physical
Persona
thing.
5. The Phantom Thieves have something to say about his victories, too.
Oh!
When Joker taunts, Morgana shows up.
Looking cool, Joker!
His alternate costume is his Shujin Academy uniform. Good thing he can use his glasses to summon Arsene.
Ah. Wish my glasses did that. I just got the regular kind.
We're also adding
That
this
is a
new
sweet
stage,
freaking
Mementos.
stage.
In this mysterious underground, many twists and turns will come your way during battle.
And the trains are, well, the bottom train is physical.
And before long, the Phantom Thieves of Hearts will rush to the scene in the Morgana car.
It gets cheerleaders.
11 music tracks will be added in.
Cloud gets
They're not only from
two.
Persona 5, but also from Persona 4 and Persona 3. When one of these tracks from Persona 3 or Persona 4 plays at Mementos, the color of the stage and background will change. Set your preferred playback.
Why not
ratio
one and
and
two though?
The victory screen changes in the same way when Joker wins. Challenger Pack 1 will include the new fighter Joker, his stage Mementos, and the Persona music tracks.
Oh yeah, and some costumes. I saw that there were costumes, but I kept scrolling before I could see what they were.
If you purchase this pack, you'll also get a Joker route in Classic mode and open up a special version of the Spirit Girl.
Cool.
You can also purchase the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate.
I already did.
Access to this Challenger pack and all others for a total of 5 packs. We're currently hard at work on the other fighters. Keep an eye out for news.
Please
about
give
them
us
in the future.
Impa or Terra Or Captain N, or need I say stock. I did add a 5th since Simon was on my top 5 once and got in. I did get a 5th, but this is probably even more impossible than stock. Halucha. Oh, Morgana hat! That's cute. Ha! Are we gonna get the 3? Ah! Yeah! Da 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 da. Yeah! Should get like Yukari as someone. Okay. The Tails wasn't in already? Yeah, I thought those both came with base. That was cute. That's adorable.
The new Mii Fighter costumes.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good deal. Although, like I said, I did already buy the Fighter's Pass, so I get everything for one price. Okay. I'm looking forward to that stage builder. I missed it in 4
Let's cover the new content
because it was only on the
free version 3.0
Wii U
update.
version. Yay! That is some weird looking ground there, I tell you what. Ah, jazz remix.
Make your own stages
Oh, that's
and
cute.
try them out
Oh, you
immediately
can
with the
move
new
them?
stage builder. In handheld mode, you can freely draw using the touchscreen.
Nice. Oh, I'm gonna have to deal with a bunch of bastards, aren't I? And they're gonna have to deal with me.
There are even new stage elements to choose from.
Ooh, warps.
And there are front and back layers.
Ah!
Changing layers, you can add decorative elements to your stages.
Oh, I like that. Give him 3D.
When you finish a stage,
was just all
you
on the
can
back.
battle there by selecting it from this tab on the stage select screen.
Happy! Happy, 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 happy.
Now you can import videos saved to your Nintendo
Athena's
Switch system
angry.
to a timeline.
She's
and
sitting in
splice
her
them
cage
together.
and grunting because
Editing is
she
very
hasn't
simple.
been out since she bit
Just
me.
pick the parts you want to keep,
Naughty bird. Naughty bird.
add some background music,
That's cool.
and subtitles, and choose how to transition from scene to scene. Once your video is complete, simply export it.
I might have some fun with that. Can you put different music on each
You can't
part?
keep it all to yourself. But
I hope
creations
so.
are meant to be shared, aren't they?
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Paid Switch
You can
membership.
view gameplay videos and stages created and uploaded by users around the world.
What about putting the videos on
Beyond
YouTube
viewing
or
players'
something?
videos and replays, you can also upload and
Youthful
download
days.
new fighters and stages.
Hamster zoom fast. There. Hang on a second.
Also upload and download new fighters
hang
and
on.
stages.
Okay, this bottom one here between Link's Walk and M Night Boss 2. That is a gray parrot. That is a gray parrot. Somebody drew a gray parrot in Smash, and I want that stage. I want that stage. I want a gray parrot. I want a gray parrot in Smash. I mean, goodness knows they can attack. Here this does. Oh my goodness. That is a freaking gray parrot. That is a gray freaking parrot. Bravo! If anyone could translate that name for me, that would be fantastic. Gray parrot!
If you find something you like, give it a yeah.
I want to get out of
The
here.
person who posted it.
Oh. Can I move a yeah to the person who made the gray parrot? I don't care if it plays like
Smash World
crap.
is a service found in the Nintendo Switch Online app for smart devices. The app already supports voice chat. And now, you'll be able to easily view recommended videos and stages in Smash World without starting up the game.
No, it's going to be huffed. I was just watching
You can
the
also search for
Death
videos
Battle
by fighter.
summary of Wario. It was
Recommended
pretty
stages
fun.
can be viewed in one place.
Gray
If you
parrot!
find some you like, simply tap the queued downloads
Small
button.
bird and it's huge.
The next time you start up Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, you'll be able to download them to your
Where's that
system.
gray parrot stage? Ah.
You can also check in-game notifications here. Or create a new spirit team by using spirits in your collection.
Sounds cool, sounds cool.
The version 3.0 update of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate will be released on April 17th.
It's too late for apologies! Is that it? That was 15 minutes already? Okay. Alright, well then. I'm all caught up. Well, I mean, that was... I expected something cool, and I did not expect to see a gray parrot! I also didn't expect to hear, oh yeah, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, in there at all. But we got that, and that's very cool. Why do 1 and 2 not get any attention? I mean, I know I've never played them, but I've never played 4 or 5 either. I actually thought I was buying Persona 1, but it turned out it was 3 in the wrong case. And I really love 3. I love Mitsuru and Yukari the most. I made them in Tomodachi Life, and Mitsuru and B2 from Diamond and Pearl Adventure ended up getting married. I think Yukari ended up marrying one of the Gorak quads. Try to find... Because I actually have this right here, so I try to find B2 in here. Yeah. Galactic Grunt with a big bubble butt. Unfortunately, you can't make a big bubble butt in Tomodachi Life, but can't even make it in The Sims. I can't even find a not a hack. A mod for it. I mean, there probably is one. I haven't looked very hard, I admit. Anyway. Yeah. Got lots of Persona. So many music tracks! Why does Final Fantasy, a series known for its music, only have 2 tracks? I mean, even 7 alone. Why don't they have One Winged Angel? That's like the definitive track from that game. Or Genova, or however you're... Is it said like that, or is it just said Genova? Because it's all, like dashed. It's all spelled in capital letters and dashed. Ugh. Heavens. I mean, come on. Aerith's theme, which is just Celis's theme, but slightly different. For God's sake, 7 has so much more music than just 2 tracks. And then, you've got all the great music in other games. I mean, come on, you have so many other games to choose from. Even the Chocobo theme! Why don't we have the Chocobo theme? That's another reason I want to see Terra in, just to get some more freaking Final Fantasy music. And of course, well, I'm awake. How about you guys? Okay, I seem to have gotten off on a little tangent here. Actually, that brings us back, because there was a Tangent series by DC Comics, and there was a character who was a Tangent Joker, and yeah, she was a wacky superhero. And it turns out there were actually 3 of her. And Harley was this big punk girl. It was hilarious. Okay, so, Joker looks awesome. Gun looks hilarious. His grappling hook looks like a much faster version of the Belmont Whip, but it's diagonal, and theirs is either, up and down or side to side. So those are going to be interesting, especially if you're playing like 2 people on a team, because then you can just stand next to each other and cover everything. Stagings. Yeah, the stages look awesome. I'm definitely going to troll some people with that. The thing is, I'm saying that, but I don't have internet, so here, with my neighbor's blessing and my dad let me borrow the computer, but, until I get internet, it's just not worth it to buy the access pass, for the internet. You know what I mean? It's just not going to be worth it to do that. So I can't, troll some fools until then. I'm going to be downloading the Fighter's Pass stuff when I'm at my parents' house this weekend for Passover and Easter. 2 eating holidays in a row. I'm either going to be super loopy like I just was, or I'm going to be stone tired, or both. I've had times where I've been so tired that I couldn't function, and then I still was just like, I want to go run a marathon. I want to go run. So who knows? What did they say? 11 music tracks? Huh. Goodness golly. Okay, well, I have talked for far too long. Okay, so we've got Joker and his friends. We've got Persona and Sonic costumes. Lots and lots of music. Stage builder, Gray Parrot.